right, we're going to do a gentle nervous system reset. This is going to help you feel less stress, less anxious, less depressed, and more like yourself. I'm so glad you're here. Take a deep breath in and out. We want the exhale longer than the inhale. Good. Okay. Right here, we're releasing any excess energy around grief, disappointment, sadness, heartbreak. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's go to the top of the head. Good. Take another deep breath in and out. Up here, we're releasing excess energy around looping thoughts, anxiety, overthinking, rumination. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. We're going to go to the inner eyebrow. This is going to help you release excess energy and information around frustration and anger. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. You might be feeling your energy traveling down the back of your spine. I feel it traveling down my arms. We're now going to the outer eyebrow. Good. You might be crying, yawning. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Right here, we're releasing frustration and anger as well. Good. Take another deep breath in and out. You might be feeling the energy traveling down from there. Good. Go underneath the eye. This is helping release excess energy around control and not letting go, trying to control people, places, circumstances, things. Good. Let it all go. Take a deep breath in and out. It's like we're smelling the roses and blowing out the candles. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Here's where we are connecting the mind and body again. When we are feeling stressed or anxious, we tend to get too far up in our head, so we want to connect with our body, start to feel again, process the energy and emotion, get into the present moment. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. And we're going under the lip. Good. Another deep breath in and out. You might be feeling tingling in the bottoms of your feet. Good. These are all signs you're getting into the parasympathetic nervous system, which is where we rest, digest, and heal. Good. We're going to go under the collarbone. Good. This is helping to release excess fear. Good. Forgot to tell you, this one helps release anywhere we haven't spoken our truth. Good. Going to the collarbone. Take a deep breath in and out. So oftentimes we don't speak our truth to others because of fear of rejection, fear of hurting somebody's feelings, fear of rocking the boat. So this one helps you release all that kind of energy that gets trapped in here and here. Let's go to the center of the chest. Good. This is one of my favorite points. This helps to offer forgiveness and compassion for ourselves. We're way too hard on ourselves. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's go to the outside of the body. So on the right side, we are releasing anger, and on the left is excess worry. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. If any of these points are sore for you, it could just mean that you have some stored energy and emotion there, as well as some stuck lymph, and drinking some water will help when you're done with this session. That was a deep breath in and out. Good. And then we'll go to the hand. Good. So when we are doing this, we're actually detoxing our emotions. So drinking some water actually helps. Take a deep breath in and out. This is helping you get grounded into your body, feel safe, feel loved. Good. It's a moment where you can take for yourself. Let's go to the top of the head. Each time you do this, it's helping to build your resilience. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Awesome. Inner eyebrow. Good. And outside the eye. Good. Feel a yawn coming on. And there's the digestion. Sometimes if you feel like something is caught, like a yawn, you can always open your mouth and that helps release it. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. And under the eye. Good. If you have stomach issues, this helps to tap this point. Good. Take another deep breath in and out. Also, if you're having trouble falling asleep before bed, you can tap this point. Let's go underneath the nose. Take a deep breath in and out. And right here, underneath the lip. Good. Lots of energy going down my legs into my feet. I feel it. It's a really good sign of being grounded. Okay, we're underneath the collarbone. There's 2 points. Right here and here underneath the collarbone. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. And center of the chest. Good. Love this one. Deep breath in and out. And go the outside of the body. It's a hand's width down from the armpit or where the brow line falls. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So that was 2 rounds. We'll do a third. Good. You can do as many rounds as you think you need. So if you're feeling really anxious, it's going to probably take a little longer than just 10 minutes, but it's up to you. Sometimes the transformation is pretty quick. Take a deep breath in and out. Top of the head. Good. Another deep breath in and out. Exhale is always longer than the inhale. Good. Inner eyebrow. Outside of the eye. Good. Underneath the eye. Good. Just felt a big release down my back. Good. Underneath the nose. Good. Underneath the lip. Good. And underneath the collarbone. Take another deep breath in and out. Center of the chest. Good. Outside the body. Good. Another big deep breath in. Good. Place your hands over your heart. Hold it there for 20 seconds. This is going to help release oxytocin, which is going to help you get into the parasympathetic nervous system even deeper. And it's like offering yourself a hug, which we need 8 hugs a day, and a lot of us don't get that. So this is a way that you can fill that need and help your body to heal. All right, I love you. Good job being here and tapping.